watched Alien Earth and how are we feeling about it? I'll say, like, I'm actually surprised that I'm really enjoying this show so far. I was a bit skeptical when I first heard about it, just because sometimes a film franchise doesn't always translate over into television. But so far, I'm actually really impressed with the way that they are building out the mythology of this world. And it did have a very cinematic quality to it, despite being a TV show. You can tell that they are putting a lot into the production value of these episodes. I loved the opening of episode 1 when we're seeing the astronauts waking up and then we're seeing them gathering around the table to eat together, and it looked exactly like that scene from the first film. Loving Timothy Olyphant's character in here. I always love him as an actor. He looks great with his like crazy white hair going on. Also, really enjoying the character of Wendy as this human android hybrid. We'll see where they take her character as the episodes go on, but so far she's giving like a lot of Ripley badass final girl energy. As far as like the themes of the show so far, like I'm curious to see where they'll go. There was a part of me watching it where it's like, okay, we've got another like tech billionaire, trillionaire who's trying to figure out the key to singularity and making humans these like super creatures that defy all rules of nature. But I guess I'm just curious to see if they're going to take a different angle with it or if it is just going to be like evil tech billionaires being evil tech billionaires, which, you know, is very indicative of the times that we're living in. I do like the idea that they're playing with of the xenomorph and the other alien creatures coming to Earth and acting as a kind of invasive species to the humans and the environment. I'm not sure if they're going to go any further with that, but so far that's an interesting metaphor that they're playing with. I thought the xenomorph looked great. I loved all of the scenes with the creatures in them. I was pleasantly surprised at how much action scenes that we got. Again, I don't know if this is going to be true for the rest of the episodes, but so far there have been some really great moments, especially in episode 2. I loved that scene when the xenomorph just crashes those weird rich people's party and just like destroys them all, just complete carnage. When episode 2 ended, I was like, okay, you know what? I am having fun with this. I am enjoying this. I am curious to see where it will go from here. What are your thoughts on Alien Earth? Let me know in the comments.